Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today I'm going to show you my tactical green EDC loadout. I've had lots of fun doing these color coordinated loadouts. Recently I shared my titanium loadout, something I carry a lot now. Just great all-round carry, very lightweight, and inside I've got a whole bunch of tools. I've shared this video before. You can check out the link in the card above or description below. Really like this titanium loadout. Really one of my favorites. And now I've put together another one, and this is kind of a tactical green color scheme. So everything is green, and that's why I got this camo green pouch. And this is also the same as the titanium pouch. It's the Viperade VE10. And I've done a video where I compared this with the Maxpedition micro pouch. And I think for urban EDC, this is the better pouch. I think the shape is better, the size is better, even though they seem about the same. Now, great thing about this pouch, there's also that Velcro side over here, and you can put a morale patch. And I thought this is such a polite, considerate morale patch, asking people if they've had their meal for the day. And there's this cute, soft serve chocolate ice cream, just so appetizing, and I thought great for the overall color scheme as well. So this pouch is zip it all around. You can open it just like that, and there you have all the items inside. Now, when I design these loadouts, it's always meant to be lightweight. I do not want to fill it up. This is mainly for urban EDC, although you can argue that this particular loadout also seems to fit the outdoor environment for jungle hikes and not. So it could go either way. But generally, I want to keep it as flat as possible. I do not want to stuff it up like my jungle survival pouches, and I want it to be relatively lightweight. So let's check out what we have inside, starting from the left. So this is my flashlight, and it's the i5T from Olight, this nice OD green. 2 levels of brightness, and if you follow this channel, you know I've got a lot of these Olights which I really like. And this is basically a AA battery size light. Following that OD green theme, we have the Gerber Prybrid X. And here we have a secondary knife. So there you have kind of a art craft knife over there that can be replaced, and that slides in and out. We've got some paracord. We've got a nail puller, small pry bar, a cap lifter over here as well. So just one of those small EDC tools that can come in useful and is not heavy. For my pen, I've got the O-pen. That's right, this is from Olight O-pen, right? O-pen. I think that's pretty cute. It's a boat action style pen. As you can see, it's very small as well. Spring shut, but great when you need a pen in a pinch. And of course, fits this color scheme. And the great thing about the VE10 pouch, as I've mentioned before, love this netting, which just collects the item as well, so it doesn't, can't drop out. And not all the weight is just held by the elastic, because elastic over time can stretch out like with the Maxpedition pouches, but with this I think it kind of takes some of the weight, so hopefully this doesn't stretch out so fast. In the middle over here I've got some paracord. So this is green paracord, and the way I've done it is I've just done my regular paracord tie. If I do want to remove it from the loop that's attached to this VE10 pouch, all I do is I just have to pull this out and I can remove it just like that. So it's almost a quick release. Now, if you want to know how to tie and coil these paracord ropes just like that, I've done a video on it, so do check out the link in the card above or the description below as well. So next to it, I have a keychain multi-tool, and this is the Leatherman Micra, and it's in green. I couldn't get it in OD tactical green. It's more of this bright reflective green, but at least it's green. And the Micra is the OG of these keychain multi-tools. The main tool is a pair of scissors, nice big pair of scissors, and it's got this box style kind of design, right? The traditional Leatherman design. You got all the different tools inside. We've got that nail file. There's also a screwdriver. Just cut my nails so I don't have long nails, but let's see if I can pull that up. Yep, flathead screwdriver over there. We've got a blade. And on this side, we also have 3 tools. We've got the tweezers, a smaller screwdriver, and then we've got a micro screwdriver with a cap lifter as well. So, and that's the main blade or main scissors. Again, nice big pair of scissors, and great to complement the main knives within this loadout. And that fits perfectly again over here. So, and that's pretty snug, nice and tight. And finally, my main blade, which as you can see clips on the inside over here and goes down to the netting. So very secure fit. This is the Kaiser Rapids. And I've done an in-depth review of this knife as well, so do check out the link in the card above or description below. 154 cm steel, just a great overall, nice knife, G10 scales with this OD green micarta overlay. Just again, fits that overall color scheme and great action of this knife. Just see that snap and very drop shutty as well. So great fit, very slim. I think overall, you know, as a package like that, everything just fits well, and I'm pretty happy with this particular loadout. But what do you think? Do you like all the different items, and do you like the color coordination for this tactical green EDC loadout? Do let me know which is your favorite item in here, and if you think I could switch out any items or add any items inside, that would make sense. Or let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep it folded, keep it safe. Hey, that looks like